Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 987. Most of my parts are here already, so I'm going to try to finish this car ASAP. So today I just finished fixing all the wiring harness, putting new insulation on it, as you can see, and reroute it so everything looks like factory. Everything is out. So now I've got to put a new one. Just gonna take that one off and put some new one on that one there. That's the final one, but the whole harness is also repaired properly. New lock is in. That's my new door lock. The other one was noisy, and then sometimes it doesn't really open or activate properly. You gotta actually open close, and it will open. So I don't want this. I don't want to put everything back together and then the whole door lock fails and you can't open the door. Alright, a new piece was, I got a new piece as well. That little piece there. Got a new connecting piece from Porsche as well. Every time you do a door lock, just get a new piece. Connecting piece, very important. As you can see, that's the whole arm there. It's all back in together behind it. So pretty much everything's working. So now I've got to check it. Okay. So now I'm going to put everything back together now and then go from there. Pretty much quick video to show what I'm doing. All right.